Hi, Miss Hernandez's class. It's time for another book. I love my new toy. Hi, Piggy. What are you doing? Look at my new toy! I love my new toy. What does it do? I have no idea. Maybe it is a throwing toy. I love throwing toys. Here, try it. Yes. Zip. Nice throw. Thanks. Here it comes. Break. Everybody cry for him. Keep crying. I broke your toy. You broke my toy. My new toy. I am mad and sad. I am mad and sad. I'm sorry. You are sorry. Very sorry. I do not care. My new toy is broken. And you broke it. Cool. You have a break and snap toy. That is a fun toy. Enjoy. Break. Snap. Break. Snap. Do you want to play with my new toy? No. You don't want to play with my new toy? I do not want to play with your new toy. I want to play with you. Friends are more fun than toys. Guess it's lost its appeal. You're it. No, you are. So the pigeon will play with it. Bye, guys.